Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Sidekick on your Camp Chef pellet grill. Let's get into it. First thing we need to do is to remove these 5 screws that are already in the side of your pellet grill. And if you have a side shelf on, these are the exact same screws you need to remove. Next, you can grab your Sidekick and a screw with a screwdriver. If you're doing this by yourself, just stick the screw up through the middle hole with the screwdriver. It is easier to do it with the second person, but you can do it like this if you were going solo. Get that screw started, and then keep holding your Sidekick while you're putting in the rest of the screws. Now that your Sidekick is on and tightened, there are 2 inserts for screws underneath. These are the leveling screws that'll help take some strain off of your Sidekick. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any additional questions about installing your Sidekick, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline. Thank you so much.